Mr. D. I'm the theater teacher here at Nathan Hale. And this is a wonderful space that we have here this year. I have stage lights and theater cubes and all kinds of things that we were able to acquire last year due to a grant that we had with the Lion King. So it's been a really fun area for our kids to explore. My kindergarten and first grade are doing all kinds of storytelling this year and really focusing on listening and following directions. And they even know in kindergarten their stage directions. They're learning stage right, stage left, and upstage and downstage. But we do a lot of activities that sort of get us into the mode of listening and following directions. And then I end a lot of my lessons here on stage, and we do a lot of guided storytelling with them following directions. My second and third grades this year are focusing a lot on pantomime, and most recently we even started to do an improvisation unit, and I was a little curious last year to see how improv would go with children as young as second and third grade, and they're amazing. They already have that great imagined mind of being free to improvise and not really worry about what others are thinking about them. And that's kind of what I hope to do in all of my theater classes, is to get students really confident about being on stage, doing something in front of their friends. And by the time they get into fourth and fifth grade, I have more performance-based classes. I have an improv class that does strictly improv, but for a performance level. I have a showmakers group who's actually doing a production-based class where we're learning the whole process of putting on a show, and that will be going up later this year, but they're self-directing it, they're making their own costumes, they're doing all the parts of the production process. And I also have a general theater class, and we're doing subtext right now and pantomime and other things, and getting a lot of the nuts and bolts of theater in our general theater classes. So that's what's going on lately here in
And action.
Dear Santa, I have been extra good this year, and I have especially been nice to my sister, so my list is a little bigger this year. Here it goes. I was like $200 in a real tiny spoon. And I was like a Labrador dog, and a second hamster that's a boy, and a snake head that shoots out real snakes, free day off, call me in sick, rocket boots, jetpack, and new green pen to write this list. I'll send you a part 2 later.
Nice round of applause. Excellent.